Welcome to AcreValue. In this video, we'll show you how to use the AcreValue DataHub, our self-service center for instantly exporting ownership, parcel, and sales data for prospecting, mailers, and more. Step 1. Access the DataHub and set your criteria. To get started, go to AcreValue.com/bulk-data. This tool is still being enhanced, but it already gives you full access to our bulk export capabilities. Here, set your filters. Choose a state, county, or draw a radius. Refine by acreage, tillable percentage, land use, or ownership presence. You can also choose whether to aggregate your data by landowner, showing their full portfolio, or group by mailing address, a cost-saving option that avoids duplicate mailings caused by name variations. Tip: group by mailing address to reduce lines and mailing costs. Step 2. Generate your quote. Click Generate Count to instantly see how many records match your criteria. You'll also get a breakdown by county, so you know exactly what your dataset includes and how many lines it will use from your account balance. Step 3. Confirm and download, anytime, instantly. When you're ready, click Download Data and confirm your selection. Unlike traditional bulk data requests that can take a week or more, the AcreValue DataHub delivers your CSV instantly, 24/7. Whether it's late at night or early morning, your print room ready file is delivered by email within seconds. Step 4. Refresh or re-download anytime. All your exports are saved under bulk data downloads in your account. You can re-download them at any time or refresh them within 1 year to capture updated data, only paying for new or changed records. The AcreValue DataHub gives you instant self-service access to ownership, parcel, and sales data, helping you save time, reduce mailing costs, and focus on growing your business.